Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna make this calligraphy canvas together using green and gold leaf, and I will show you the process step by step. As you see, I started by showing the final piece first, then I will take you through how I made it. I opened my canvas that's 20 by 30 and I prepared the design. Then I placed the stencil on the canvas and tape it down so it wouldn't move anywhere. That's my modeling paste. Then I used my painter's palette knife to spray that down to my canvas. I turned off the light so you guys can see it better because the modeling paste is white and it doesn't show on camera. Now I remove the stencil and I let the texture cool down. As you guys can see, I removed the template of the canvas. Then I choose the brushes I needed. I also got the colors I needed. And I got a little bit of water to spray down the canvas. Then I mix blue and yellow to make this green shade. Then I shaded it with green paint. I added 2 layers of shade. It's look really nice shade of color. Now I left it to dry for a few hours. After it got dry, I added PVA glue with a small applicator bottle and applied to the letterings. And press the gold leaf on top of the PVA glue. I press the gold leaf with my brushes so it stays better. I added details with PVA glue. Then I used gold leaf on top of details. It's already looking nice and shiny. Now I clean the gold dust with my brush. Now I'm gonna zoom in and show you guys what we did today. This is the final result of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and don't forget to like, turn on notifications and let's hit 1000 subs together. Thanks and bye bye.